Okay, now I teach you step by step how to use the MagPic video effect. Okay, so you can edit your photos by using this software step by step to process your photo editor. Okay, so first we can see the templates. Okay, templates. So we can see here we have a lot of template. Here is hot, giving, thanksgiving, love, holiday, new year, winter. So each of template they're giving a lot of template. Okay, landscape, new, sketch, neon, emoji, cartoon, trip, wing, pip, profile, birthday, double export, vaporwave. You can see a lot of. Okay, vaporwave is less magazine, magic, funny. Okay, funny is I think more. You can find a lot of to edit your photo as you like. Okay, Christmas, and then mother days, okay, spring. So spring had a lot of templates here. And then only one year more. You have a lot. Okay, this one to edit your photo according you like to use the what is called that one template. So now I show you one how to use I use the bunny. Okay, bunny. This bunny because I mostly have the photo relate to the forest. Okay, relate to the jungle. Okay, I use this one for jungle. So use this one for jungle. Okay, I have edit some of my photos, so now I use this first. Okay, for example, I use this photo, and then you can change. If you don't like this one, you can change another one. Okay, from here you also can change it. Okay, then what is after this, what you wanna, you can change more bigger or smaller. Okay, so after that you can save for temporary save, and then after that don't save completely, otherwise already finished. So now you can find here is regarding the what is it called that one, what is we can find here. You want to put sticker. Okay, ABC sticker here. You can write something. Okay, I want to write a jungle. Okay, jungle, because this I take the photo in the mountains, so yeah, like a jungle. Okay, depend on you like to put. I put the jungle here. Okay, and then what do you want to like to put again another? So you can change the color if you like, or change the different form of the letter, or you like to summer this one. Okay, jungle. And then you can change also the regarding the color. Okay, the color you can change it. You want to change it. This is the color here. You want to like what color? Right color. Okay, depend on the suite of your video. Okay, you want to take so long the video. Okay, how is this is look nice. Okay, so we use this. I use this one, and then I want to. If you like to sticker, you can put some sticker. I want to use the ABC. Okay, ABC, and then you can make the size smaller or bigger. Okay, I've used the smaller size here, ABC size. Okay, this is decoration. Okay, so jungle, and then you have ABC jungle. Okay, ABC jungle, the name, if you like it. This smaller is better. ABC jungle. Yeah, not so big, not sweet. Okay, now is finish. When you finish, if you can save it, if you want to put another sticker, okay, or you want to the pictures you want to make a little bit brighter, like this. Okay, the brighter. Okay, so now if you want to save it, you can save it. For example, I want to save this one now. I don't want to save now. So if you want to save, you can save it. Okay, I will save it now. This save, ready, save. Okay, so now if you want to make another pictures, for example, you want to make another pictures, so we try to another pictures now. Maybe we can do this, make this one. So when you want to make this one, you can pitch the radius first. Okay, you can fit the radius for the I want to fit for the video, because this will be longer. Okay, and then save, and then look it. Now you want to decorate. Now if you want to decorate, I want to take the template. Anyway, it's already gone, so you take the pictures brighter first. Which one is sweet? Okay, original. Okay, then you can put the brighter, put a sticker or written or write some word directly here. Okay, mountain hiking. Okay, mountain hiking. You can write this one, mountain hiking, and then you can change the what is called that one. Change the color. Mountain hiking. Which one is better? The color. You can see better color. Look like. Okay, maybe this one is better. Okay, mountain hiking. Okay, now finish. Now we find another decoration if you like to put it, or you want to put this one. You want to put love or MG wing, funny. You want to put funny thing. Okay, let's see the funny thing here not fits with this one. You can find another one. which is fit to your photo. Let's see this one. This also cannot fit. Okay, so let's see the background. Let's see, use the background. Use the background. Do you like this one? If you like, you can use this one. Okay, or you use another one. The view is depend on your. Okay, you can use also this one, or you use this one, depend. This is some fun here, live, fast, die, fun. Okay, you can use another one, this one. Okay, this photo you also can make a bigger. Okay, this photo can make a bigger, so make the size as you like. Change another one. Okay, if you like this one, you can use this one. Okay, this like this decoration, but I will not use that one. Let me use another one. I want to use this one, so I'm working this. Okay, for me I like this one, so or I use another one. No, reset. Okay, if you don't like, okay, for example you use that one, you can reset it here. Okay, now is finished. You can use now another. You can use that is the background. You can put another one funny thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, you like it this, you can use that one, or this one, or another one, or this one, or this one. Depend on your photo. Or this one look like it's funny. Okay, I use this one. Okay, then if you finish, and you can save it. Okay, you can save temporary. Okay, and then they become like this now. Okay, now you can see the radius now. Radius, because you will, where do you want to post in YouTube? Mostly they this one and this, both of this one. So maybe some of pictures that take this one, but need to make sure. Okay, need to make sure, and then check again. Okay, make sure the size where you want to post it. This one, put this one, and then this one, and also can be this one, but let's try this one. Okay, because this for the YouTube, both of this can be for the YouTube. Okay, now we save it. Okay, after we save, and then we can save, completely save. Okay, already saved it. Okay, that is